Hello and welcome back, guys. Today we will be looking at the top 10 anime characters with highest IQ level. So let's get started. Lee Louch is one of the best strategists in the anime. He is a brilliant, genius tactician who is able to see several moves ahead of his opponents. He is excellent at reading other people and was able to easily deceive people into understanding him.
Which means that you must become assassin.
The next spot is taken by Koro Sensei. If any of you has seen Assassination Classroom, then you already know how smart Koro is. He has an IQ of 195. His feats include outwitting professional assassins after his head. Even before gaining his powers, he had an intelligent mind, understanding complex knowledge in few minutes. After gaining his powers, he became even more faster in processing information.
Signature will be strong enough to compensate for the increase in distance. I just need to tweak the radar's design. But
Know what?
there's a much easier way to find this thing, don't you think?
Bulma may not have any fighting abilities, but what she has is her intelligence. That is way more than that of other characters in DBZ. She is the inventor of Dragon Ball Radar and Trunks Time Machine.
Oh, never mind. In light of your smart proposal, I'll let it pass this time.
Now let's talk about Erwin Smith. Erwin is undoubtedly the most intelligent character in his respective universe, with an IQ level of 190. He has proved himself time and time again that he is a genius strategist. With his brilliant tactics like the enemy scouting formation against Titans and Marley warriors. There has always been a debate about who is more intelligent, Urahara or Aizen. By all means, Urahara is way more intelligent than Aizen. He has an IQ level of 195. The main thing that matters are inventions, which include the legendary Hogyuku itself. And let's not forget, he was the one who sealed Aizen with his new Kido. Now falling into the top 5 categories, on the 5th comes the yellow flash of the leaf, Minato Namikaze. Being the fastest shinobi in Naruto, he does not only excels in speed and combat, he has a mind-blowing IQ level of 200 plus. Observational skills were beyond ordinary, which enabled him to spot opponents' strengths and weaknesses and make a quick counter.
あなた、少年を撃った時、飲んでいなかったんじゃないですか？シラフだった。冷静だった。
Johann Liebert is the main antagonist of the anime series Monster. He is the monster that the title refers to. Johann is a master manipulator, manipulating people to get what he wants. He can convince anyone to die in his name or drive them towards suicide by stripping them of every reason to live. Once, when he was a child, Johann led a revolt in the institution and got 50 people to kill each other by simply tossing an oil rag into a fire. Johann can perfectly assess anyone's psychology, behavior, and motivations. He sees their mind at first glance, allowing him to perfectly predict what people will do and how to manipulate them. He has perfect observational perspective, analytical, calculating, tactical, and deductive skills. One of his feats include befriending his victims and acknowledging their worth, who are therefore willing to perform favors as extreme as killing.
どうです？飲みませんか？
葬る穴が2つ必要になるってことよ。
Taking the third spot is Shikamaru Nara. It is obvious that Shikamaru is a great strategist. That is why he is often placed in charge of his friend's mission. He is not only good at planning out a strategy, but he is also good at thinking several moves ahead. He was said to have an IQ level of 200 plus since childhood, as mentioned by Asuma. He was appointed as the Allied Force Chief Strategist after his father's death.
That's right. I am Kira.
Coming on to the second spot is Light Yagami from Death Note. Light can be seen as the main protagonist as well as antagonist of the series Death Note because of a variety of his motives. Light was always toe to toe with L and was finally able to win against L. He manipulated Ram into killing L and took his position as leader of the task force controlling Japanese police. Light was able to confuse L by writing 13-day rule that was fake, which diverted suspicion from himself. He convinced the task force into believing he is not Kira by being confined and secretly forfeiting ownership of Death Note and losing memories, and was able to fool task force who put the cameras in his room by using bag of potato chips, making them think that he was studying while he was killing criminals with a small piece of Death Note. Light also manipulated Mizora into giving him her real name instead of an alias. Light then writes her name on a piece of Death Note, making her commit suicide.
Had to do it. No, I was the only one who could.
Light Yagami. Your father is Chief Soichiro Yagami of the NPA. Your respect for your father is matched only by your strong sense of justice.
Who the hell is this guy?
And taking the number one spot in our list of people with highest IQ is none other than L. L is smarter than Light Yagami. In fact, he is the smartest character in Death Note. L's deduction skills, planning, and eye for detail far surpass Kira's. He did find out Kira's identity without any hints or leads. L deduction skills and instincts are inhuman, since he managed to find out the two greatest properties of Death Note during the first few episodes of the anime. The reason we put L above Light is because Light had a big advantage of having Death Note and all its knowledge from the beginning. So simply, he was uncatchable, but still L easily find out Kira was Light. Even after with so many disadvantages, L was able to always remain one step ahead of Light. We can take the example of when Light is forced to give up Death Note to save himself. Here L almost won. As a child, L's IQ was in the 200 to 250 range as an 8-year-old, and by the time he met Light Yagami, his IQ was skyrocketing high and above the normal estimate.
There'd be no reason for him to be afraid.
Mangekyo Sharingan. そそるぜこれは。駆け狂いますぞ。メルエム。嘘だよバカ。